Can I request Aditi to give them a memento?
Have a moment.
Go for it.
अनीता के लिए एक बात कहूंगा. अनीता जी, please stay on stage. She has such a convincing power and she is such a great motivator, I tell you. She motivates everybody that we should be supporter. And सप्रू साहब से अभी मेरी बात हो रही थी प्रोग्राम शुरू होने से पहले. बहुत अच्छा नोबल कॉज है जिसके लिए, और सप्रू साहब के लिए एक शेयर अर्ज करूंगा कि जिनके लफ्जों में हमें अपना अक्स मिलता है, जिनके लफ्जों में हमें अपना अक्स मिलता है, बड़ी शिद्दत में ऐसा कोई शख्स मिलता है.
क्या बात, बहुत सुंदर बाटे जी. अनीता, that's a very big compliment because he's a banker. बैंक में पैसा डालना आसान है, बैंक से पैसा निकालना बहुत बड़ी बात है. बड़े बड़े कंपनी नहीं कर पाते हैं, आप कर दिए हमारे CPA के लिए. थैंक यू सो मच. एंड बिफोर आई हैंड ओवर द माइक बैक टू द वॉइस ऑफ टुडे, come on man, we need to acknowledge you. He's flown in all the way from Delhi and he's doing this absolutely free of cost. Has never charged CPA before. He's a very big name. He has a huge fan following. People know him all across not just Delhi but India. And he comes here and gives his voice to CPA. So when people ask me that, okay, aside from financial contributions, what can we do for CPA? He's a shining example. Thank you, Shok. Thank you so much. Can we have a memento for him, please? Thank you.
Well, thank you so very much. I'm really overwhelmed with this. Thank you, Vivek bhai. But now I have a name. एक ऐसा नाम जिनके लिए कहा जाता है कि ये जो बोलते हैं वो ये करते हैं.
Vivek, you can also answer.
Well, this is not an open discussion on cancer. This is, well, it's whatever is injurious to health is obviously injurious to society, and of course, like you said, you've researched that aerated water, I won't name the product, is injurious to causes cancer. But here we are talking about tobacco, and this is one of the main reasons. This is the main causes for cancer.
We are in South has banned soft drink.
Well, there are a lot of people who don't drink soft drinks, who don't use tobacco, even they get cancer. So, but the point is that tobacco is the main cause of cancer, and that's why we are here to
Well said.
kill that.
Very well said.
सर्कल में है एक्चुअली, बहुत से लोग हैं, यू मे बी नोइंग एक्चुअली. इफ यू वांट आई कैन जस्ट नेम फ्यू ऑफ देम. शाहरुख खान, अजय देवगन, संजय दत्त. लाइक काफी लोग चाह रहे हैं कि वो स्मोकिंग क्विट करें, पर उनसे नहीं हो पा रहा. तो आप लोग या आप CPA कितनी मदद कर सकते हैं उनको एक्चुअली?
I think,
ट्राइड
to be honest with you, 15 साल जो मैं CPA से जुड़ा हूँ, उनके 48 साल की उम्र में 15 साल मैंने शेयर की, and I think the most important thing is soichha, your own will, because I remember reading an article in Times of India saying that I was one of the top influencers for youth picking up and smoking, because I was smoking in company and I was smoking in, my first film. And what shocked me was I'm not even a smoker in my real life. मैं पीता ही नहीं. और मेरा नाम influencers के साथ में, अलग-अलग actors के साथ में, there was Shahrukh's name, there was Ajay Devgan's name, a lot of people's names in there. And I took the initiative. I said I want to meet CPA and I want to talk to them, and I want to meet World Health Organization and I want to talk to them. And they said that, how can you help us dispel it? How can you help us go out there and say, okay, whatever you do in films is fine, but how can you help us, make an impact to the youth? And there were certain stands that were difficult. Like, for example, when I was offered a bravery award for my work during the tsunami, I got a call from CPA saying that, look, this is surrogate advertising. And it was a cigarette brand that was giving a bravery award, and it was called Red and White Bravery Award. And because I had decided to take a stand against tobacco, and I stood for CPA as a part of the family, I returned the award. I said, I will not accept this award because it comes from them. So I think those choices are very personal choices. I'm just doing a film, Bank Chor, and one of the talking points on Bank Chor, because World No Tobacco Day is coming, was that originally in the script, the character I play, the cop, Amjad Khan, he smokes. And I had a chat with the whole team at Yashraj and our director Bumpy, and I said, "Zaruri hai kya? Is it necessary for this character to smoke?" And they all thought about it, and they said, "No, yaar, if he doesn't smoke also, it's okay." And we removed smoking from the film. You know, so the idea was, when you can do it, you should do it. And it's a very personal decision. You can tell anybody 100 times. Like you heard the 5 stories of the police walas, हमारे जो भाई हैं मुंबई पुलिस से, उन सब की कहानी में एक ही चीज कॉमन है कि कोई भी इंसिडेंट किसी ने कहा, किसी ने बताया, उन्होंने कुछ देखा, लेकिन डिसीजन जो है वो उन्होंने खुद लिया. उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि मुझे ये कैंसर नहीं चाहिए.
they have said like they really want to quit. उन्होंने self decide किया है. उन्होंने they have told on a public platform also actually. उनकी इच्छा है, उनको करना है.
Every name that you've taken, they are all super achievers. They are all super achievers, and you can only be a super achiever that if you decide something, you will do it. So I'm sure they can do it, and I'm sure when they decide the right time is for them, they will do it.
Very well said, Vivek bhai. Very well said.
Ask Amol sir, you would like to say something? Would you like to say something on smoking and Bollywood together?
Yeah, meaning from the time I got attached to children's cinema and children's movement, children's issues, I was a smoker myself, and I quit. And I am tobacco free for many years now. When I see other people smoking, I just told you about that silly cubicle in every airport where almost reeks of Holocaust Day. So technically, all the ads that are made, public service ads, which are attached to films, they're made with such, they're not appealing. I feel that जिस तरह a film like Anand touches the nation, and so many, like Tare Zameen Par did touch the nation, or Stanley Kadapa, I'm talking about some of my films, but something like that should be made which is plausible, which actually hits at the base of your heart, because otherwise लोग बोलते अरे वो क्या melodrama है यार, ऐसा थोड़ी होता है, ऐसा कोई आदमी ऐसा बच्चे के मुंह पे फूंक रहा है, ऐसा हो सकता है. तो ये जो अतिशयोक्ति है, this exaggeration, वो अगर ना करके अगर sensible messaging अगर अपना ले, तो things can change for people, मुझे ऐसा लगता है. फिर बॉलीवुड क्या हो तो सभी लोगों पे वो उसका असर होगा.
Thank you, sir. We would want to end with Neetu Chandra. If you can give out a message to all the young girls who have got into smoking, something that you would want to tell them.
Yes, guys, I've recently 2-3 कॉलेजों में मैं गई और वहाँ पर कैंटीन में या साइड में girls, all the young girls, they've really started smoking a lot, and you know, even the guys, little guys, कॉलेज और स्कूल के बच्चे भी स्मोकिंग करना शुरू कर दिया है. ये अगर उनको लगता है कि बहुत कूल है and you're impressing girls, then that's seriously it's a no. And for girls, आपको पता है आपकी फ्यूचर क्या होने वाली है अगर आप सिगरेट स्मोकिंग में ऐसे चले जाएं. एंड खासकर क्योंकि हम फिल्म बैकग्राउंड से आते हैं हम लोग, तो जितनी भी बहुत सारी लड़कियां जो प्रोडक्शन में चली गई हैं या प्रोडक्शन साइड में, क्रिएटिव साइड में, असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर्स, एंड आई एम ओपनली सेइंग दिस दैट ऑल ऑफ अस have to be very, very careful, because you are making your own way to death. So to be very careful, and because you are great writers, directors in making, script writers, production, singers, all of us are doing really well and working really hard. And young age पे अगर आप ये आदत डाल लें तो जैसे अब 3 बॉक्स यहाँ पे देना पड़ रहा है और बहुत सारे ऐसे जिनकी आवाज़ चली गई है, अगर great people like Salim Sulaiman are influencing you and you are a great singer, और अगर आपकी ऐसी सिंगिंग सिगरेट की आदत हो गई तो आप ज़िंदगी भर वो नहीं, अपना सपना कभी पूरा नहीं कर पाएंगे, चाहे आप किसी भी प्रोफेशन में. इसलिए आई रियली वांट टू टेल ऑल दीज यंग गर्ल्स एंड गाइज, बी कॉशियस प्लीज़. अभी से बंद कर दीजिए, ध्यान से सोच के बंद कर दीजिए अपने लिए और अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए जो आपके फ्यूचर का इंतजार कर रहे हैं. थैंक यू. Finish her question. She's 2 minutes.
We often see that non-smokers also suffer from mouth cancer, oral cancer. So बहुत एक common notion होता है youngsters के बीच में कि अरे हमको तो कैंसर नहीं होता है, जो नहीं करते इनफैक्ट उनको होता है. They take it very casually. So what would you like to advise them?
As Salim was saying, this is one of the main reasons for cancer. बहुत लोग ऐसे होते हैं जिनको, like I lost my dad to cancer and he was a smoker. I lost my Poopa ji to cancer and he was not a smoker, neither tobacco, nothing. तो ऐसा कह नहीं सकते कि किसको हो जाएगा, लेकिन आपको जब पता है कि इस रास्ते में तो होगा ही, तो फिर you have to avoid that.
Right, because normally they take it very casually कि हमको तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला, जिनको नहीं.
क्या हमेशा सब ये कहते हैं कि भगत सिंह तो पैदा होना चाहिए, लेकिन मेरे घर में नहीं, पड़ोसी के घर में. So I think we have to start from our own house.
Sorry, this is the last question. I think I will be talking. I just wanted to tell, just give an example. We can't compare USA and India, but the cancer hospital, I don't know how many cancer hospitals in India, but Tata, which is in Bombay, how much government is giving a donation to the cancer hospital? NGOs are coming like this. I can tell you for Emory Anderson Cancer Hospital, where is my daughter-in-law is working, she has done MS PhD in cancer. $5 billion Obama has given is 25,000 crore for one hospital. We are building statues and everything in the people who are gone, 3,000 crore for statues and memories and everything. I think that money should be diverted for this. I think we should all get together and also approach the government and should give the fantastic donations and the subsidy to the cancer hospitals in all over India. That will also stop all these things, I can tell you.
Thank you. Wonderful. Thank you so very much. Now, before I end up and I invite all of you all for high tea. Yeah, to that.
The last but not the least, prevention is better than cure.
100%.
So look for every carcinogenic pollutant. Don't stop at cigarettes. Stop at river pollution. Don't stop at dams. Don't stop at so many other collateral damages that are caused by playing hooky with nature. So be careful when you put your foot forward in society, because society depends on your wisdom. So if there is no carcinogenic environment, the cancer will not be existent. So zara socho ki how many pollutants, how many things that are spoiling what's happening around us, and why are we so deaf, dumb and blind that we can't see the future of our own children? I mean, who would want to bring a child into something which is so carcinogenic? What is the amount of pollution in your hawa? अब ये तो सब सिगरेट स्मोक नहीं हो सकता.
Correct. Correct.
तो सोचो, 2 मिनट सोचेंगे तो उत्तर खुद ब खुद आ जाएगा.
बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं मोहन साहब. Well, thank you so much. Now, before I proceed further, while we have this photo op going on, I invite you all for high tea, and the doors are open for it. And I thank you all for coming in here and showing strong support for this cause. Love you all. Thank you.